I have no competition in the world.
Really?
I will share this, and I'll say this with a lot of by chance. See, nothing is unhackable. Nothing in the world is unhackable. How does AI affect cybersecurity? How does quantum computing affect cybersecurity? If you put enough time and intelligence, you can hack into any system.
So, hi everyone. We have with us Vijay Kawale from Cyber Sentry. Well, he is the CEO. Let's have some words with him. First of all, sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
First of all, tell me what inspired you to come to this business, basically.
I have a bit of
Behind the
I have a bit of a technology bent. This isn't my first business. I am a serial entrepreneur with interest in advertising, marketing, live events. But what I've been noticing is the way that the world is evolving into technology, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and I've been extremely passionate and seeking information on how smart, intelligent people are losing money to cyber criminals and cyber hackers. Yeah, and it's becoming a huge problem. So I said, look, इसमें मुझे आना है. एक passion था, एक interest था. Just another thing that my son is studying cybersecurity in the US. He is a BSc cybersecurity. So I'm also building a little bit of a foundation. And the big thing was I wanted to democratize it. You know, make cybersecurity. It's a scary word. People know about it, don't understand it, but I wanted to make it so simple that people like you, me, anybody can be safe, cyber safe.
Okay, so what are the biggest challenges you face in the early days of your business?
One is getting the product right. Okay,
Please
so,
do it.
so we've launched product CYBX with 63 sats. So that protects you from any type of cyber hacking on your mobile phone. Because today at the B2C level, hacking, people are losing identity theft, financial fraud, phishing scams, various things happening on your mobile. So first was getting a product right, which would be easy to use. Of course, second was awareness. It's a little bit like insurance. We think it won't happen to us. हम पेपर पढ़ते ही इसका हैक हुआ, उसका हमारे साथ नहीं होगा.
Jungle have this mentality. हमारे घर पे सिलेंडर नहीं फटेगा, हमको ये नहीं होगा.
So our approach has been create awareness and safety first. That is a challenge.
So, any one mistake that turned into a valuable lesson for you, or you want to tell everyone? Any one mistake or any one approach?
Look, so we're still relatively new in this business. The business is old, but CYBX and CyberSentry is a DPID accredited startup. And technology changes so fast, right? That the product that you test today and you put it out in the market, अभी एक साल बाद उसका, things change.
And there's so many competition as well.
Yes. And what we realized is AI is changing the facet of cybersecurity. Okay. You can sit at home and write code to hack. You don't have to be a software engineers. And similarly, at our end, we keep improving our products so that we can constantly evolve with, with emerging trends. How does AI affect cybersecurity? How does quantum computing affect cybersecurity? So I'm always in product R&D.
Okay. So there are so many competitors in market. So how do you differentiate your brand with?
I have no competition in the world.
Really?
I will share this, and I'll say this with a lot of humility. We have launched CYBX. Remember the name CYBX. It is the world's first and only super app for cybersecurity. You can download it on your phone. It's a 5-minute installation. There is a free scheme. There is a small little paid-up scheme. What we've done is it protects you from a myriad of cyber attacks, attempts, phishing, spams. अगर कोई आपका फोन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, किसी ने फोन रिकॉर्ड किया ना, आपको एक इमोटिकॉन आएगा, आइकॉन आएगा that your phone is being recorded. You can encrypt your calls. Plus, I'm offering insurance. By chance, see, nothing is unhackable. Nothing in the world is unhackable. If you put enough time and intelligence, you can hack into any system. But with CYBX, suppose the hacker gets through and you find out that you lost money or some financial fraud, we insure you up to 10 lakhs. That's the first of its kind. I have no competition yet. But yes, we welcome competition.
this is the first or second time I'm listening to somebody and he or she is saying like we don't have any comfort, and that is a very good thing. Okay, so my last question is, what's next step you will be taking in your business?
As I said, we want to democratize it. I'm happy to be a blind wing. We are doing a lot of seminars, conferences, educating people, talking to governments, talking to corporates, talking to the B2B segment. I think हर इंडियन को ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि ज़माना चेंज होते जा रहा है, और जैसे कि हम अपने घर पे ताला डालते हैं, हम अपना बैंक के सामने हम एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड डालते हैं, वैसे हमें अपने सारे एसेट्स जो भी हमारे स्टॉक्स है, गोल्ड ईटीएफ्स है, जो भी हमारे फ़ोन पे, जो भी हमारा डिजिटल आइडेंटिटी है, यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट. प्रोटेक्शन इज़ क्रिटिकल.
With the password only you want to say?
Sorry?
Protect everything from the password.
Password is not enough, my dear. Cyber hackers are breaking through government databases by hacking their passwords. Just having 2FA, it is important, 2FA, multiple FA, passwords. But beyond that, जब intrusion हो रहा है, आपका डिवाइस पे या आपका एंड यूज, आपका लैपटॉप पे, आपका डेस्कटॉप पे, आपका फोन पे एक अलर्ट आना चाहिए that a hacker is trying to hack into your system. Then you will be careful.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we are trying.
Yeah, so what strategies have worked best for scaling your business?
I think superb question. So awareness is less, category adoption is less, क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं मैं तो स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, क्या सुनना मेरे साथ होगा नहीं. We think that uneducated or lower educated or older people are falling to cyber hacks. I'm telling you, people like you and me, intelligent people, are getting hacked. So what I've learned is spread the awareness, okay, and get hooks. तो अभी ये वॉर फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी अगस्त. आई डोंट थिंक द फिल्म डिड टू वेल. आई डोंट नो टू एडिट दैट.
Which movie?
वॉर.
War, yeah. Yeah, Hrithik and Tiger Shroff.
So we got on a few. We did some celebrity endorsements. So I have that. So the film stars they endorsed it क्योंकि उनके बातें लोग ज़्यादा मानते हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So we're looking at celebrity endorsements. You're looking at participating in conferences, summits, exhibition events, award shows, PR. और उसके बाद अपने आप फैलेगा.
So that it will come into the limelight basically.
Awareness
Yeah.
and adoption.
That is most important.
And I'm keeping price points very cheap. हमने पहला बोल दिया कि आप 6 महीना फ्री ले लो.
Okay.
तब आपको
So that we will get the most customer, and once they get a little bit trust and everything, they start using it.
perfect.
And what's the starting plan in the same?
We start at some 99 rupees a month, but the good plans, the plans which give you encrypted calls, the plans which let you know if your phone is being recorded, the plans which will give you insurance start at as little as 999 per year. 1,000 rupees a year can protect all your assets.
So is it only work on Android or on
Any phone,
oh,
iOS, Android, any phone. Of course, iOS, the installation system takes a little longer, may take half an hour.
so is it only for the Indian customer or any market?
Currently it's in India because the DPDP acts and data protection acts, there's a lot of legalese in the bureaucracy and in the government. So currently we are customizing it to India. हमारा market इतना बड़ा है, 500 crore,
Isn't it?
500 million smartphones भी है. तो पहला वही कर ले.
Everyone have the phone. That was really nice talking to you and very inspiring. Thank
More power to you. Thank you.